So sleeping, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, wait. Yes, sir. Okay, now about time. So, what you're looking at right here is my PayPal prepaid card. Finally came in the mail. So I'm gonna show you, the viewers, how you can make some money using PayPal. It's let me see what time it is. It is about it is 10:25 right now. Okay. So yeah, let me go back home, get back inside where it's nice and warm, and we'll talk a bit more about this later. First of all, you gotta excuse how I'm looking right now. You know, I ain't really get myself all together. I just came outside to check the mailbox or whatever. But as of lately, man, folks been asking me, hey man, is there a way I can make money with PayPal? Or hey man, I seen you talking about, you know, making money online and stuff like that. How can I get in on it? So this is what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do as far as making some extra income on the side with PayPal. You know, if just the thought of waking up to deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit, if that's intriguing to you, then you might want to pay attention to the next slide right now. And also be sure to like this video and, you know, leave a few comments down below. So I'm gonna show you, like I said, more in detail on how to go about doing it. So pay attention. Alright, let's not waste no more time. So let's get right on into this. You're gonna need three things when you trying to make this money with PayPal. Number one, clearly you're gonna need a PayPal account. So get that situated. Number two, what you're gonna need is this right here, a PayPal prepaid card. I'm gonna leave the link below in the description. It won't cost you nothing. It's free. You don't have to worry about having good credit or none of that shit. So get this. Now, the reason why you want to have this is because it's gonna attach to this right here. It's gonna go hand in hand with this right here, Dash. And what is Dash, you ask? It's a free app that pays you back each time you shop at select retailers. So see right here, you get cash back at certain places. Now let me give you a better example. Let me give you a better example. All right, this was in my wallet right now. You know, I done already cashed out. I'm gonna have some more by the end of the week. Now see right here, yesterday I got some cash back from shopping at Pizza Hut. Bama played Clemson yesterday. Clemson got in that ass. You know, that's a whole nother story. But yeah, you see right here, you know, Chevron again, and then you see these $5 deposits that I'm getting. That's just from sharing it with other people. This right here, you know, that's why I cashed out. Like I said, this is my spare time now. You know, if you ain't got too much going on in your downtime and you just want to make some extra bread, what you want to do is you want to get with me. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I got training videos that show you step by step by step by step. So, like I said, if you want multiple deposits after deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit, you're gonna need this Dash account, right? And then you're gonna need this prepaid card also. So once you get the prepaid card, you're gonna attach it to this right here. See where it says add card? You can get your money back with Dash. Well, say for example, like once you accumulate money in your Dash account, you're gonna add your prepaid card. Hold on, let me see. Let me go back. Let me give you an example. Okay, hold on, give me a second. Bear with me. Okay, see like where it says transfer? You add your PayPal account. That card that I just told you about, you're gonna add your PayPal account, and then you'll get your money back a hell of a lot faster than you would be trying to transfer it to a bank card, like the card that you get from your bank. It'll take like 4 or 5 days, man. With the PayPal card, shit, you get that back same day. So This is what you're gonna need. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, like I said, man, this is how you make money with people. PayPal. Oh, let me take it back a second. Also, another thing is with this right here, you can also get 20 to 25 bucks each time you share your link with somebody else and they activate their card. So like I said, man, just imagine you getting paid from this right here and this on top of that, deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit. I don't have to keep going on, but you get the idea. So like I said, man, if this is something you want to do, which I highly encourage, it won't cost you nothing. Get with me. The link is gonna be somewhere down below in the description, or maybe in the comments. I don't know. And this is how you make some extra bread, man. Look, I come up with ideas and ways on how to make money all the time, and I want to share it with the public. You know what I'm saying? Because I want everybody to eat. You understand? That's what it's all about, man. Sharing so we all can eat. So like the video, comment below. If you have any questions or concerns, you know, drop some comments and I'll answer them.